In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect a broker to Tradingview on your mobile. Now, this will actually allow us to trade on the Tradingview app with any broker that Tradingview actually supports. So in order to connect your broker, you first have to actually open up the app and just select a chart. Now for this video, I'm just going to be clicking on the S&P 500, and from here we can see the chart. So in order to actually connect our broker, we can go down to the bottom right corner and we want to look for those three dots. When we click on that, we'll be able to see a few options, and we should be able to see this one, which is Connect Broker. When we click on it, we'll be able to scroll down and we'll be able to see their list of brokers that they actually support on Tradingview. So you either want to scroll through this list until you find a broker which you have an account for, or if it's your first time setting up an account with a broker, you can simply choose the one with the best rating. So I'm just going to choose Active Trades, and from there it's going to ask us to connect our account. So if it's your first time setting up an account, you can choose the bottom option, which is Open Account. However, if you've already got an account with this broker, we can click Connect, and it will then open up a new tab and we can sign into our account. So we can simply enter in our username or email, and we can enter in our password down here, and from there we can click that green sign in button to connect to our account. From there, as long as you've entered in your account details correctly, you'll then be redirected back to the Tradingview app, and you will have now successfully connected your broker to the Tradingview mobile app. This will allow you to make live trades or even demo trades if you want to, via that broker inside of Tradingview. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.